In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting for your team. Whether you're organizing a one-on-one discussion or gathering the whole crew for a strategy session, setting up a Zoom meeting is a straightforward process. To get started, let's first navigate to the Zoom application on your computer. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Schedule button. This is your gateway to setting up a seamless and efficient meeting experience for your team. Next up, you'll need to give your meeting a name. It's typically a good idea to keep it clear and direct, so let's name it Team Meeting. This will help participants quickly identify the meeting purpose when they receive your invitation. Now that your meeting has a name, let's move on to scheduling when it will take place. You'll want to select the appropriate date and time that aligns with everyone's availability. Try to choose a period that accommodates the schedules of all team members to ensure maximum participation and engagement. With the date and time set, it's time to turn your attention to the invitees. Find the invitees section within the scheduling details, and here you can start typing in the email addresses of those you wish to invite. Make sure to enter each email address accurately to avoid any mix-ups or missed invitations. If you're unsure of anyone's email off the top of your head, it might be helpful to cross-check with your contact list or directory to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered all the necessary invitees, you'll want to copy the meeting invitation. Zoom provides you with an option to copy the meeting details, which includes the meeting link, ID, and passcode. Simply look for the option that says Copy Invitation or something similar, and give it a click. This action will transfer all the necessary meeting details to your clipboard, allowing you to easily paste it into an email or message. Now comes the final task, sending out the invitation. Open your email client or messaging platform of choice, start a new message, and paste the copied invitation details into the body. Before sending, double-check that all invitee email addresses are in the recipient field, and perhaps add a brief note of your own in the email explaining the meeting's agenda or goals. This provides extra context and prepares your team for what to expect. After you hit send, your job is complete, and your team members will receive all the details needed to join the meeting at the scheduled time. That brings us to the end of setting up a Zoom meeting for your team. Remember, advanced scheduling and clear communication can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your meeting. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.